Hey everyone, if you're looking for a great way to store your trash cans outside your house or hide those really ugly AC units on your patio area, I'd like to recommend this outdoor privacy fence that I received from the seller in exchange for a shoppable video. So as you can see, currently I'm halfway through installation, but let me go ahead and show you everything that's included in this packaging. So you get these 3 stakes here, and then there's 8 fence panels that are really easy to put together. They basically just slide in through the fence post here, and the plastic fence panels are pretty lightweight themselves as well, but really durable, and they'll last really nicely outside in all kind of weather conditions. So that's really nice. I've had metal ones before that get very rusty in the joints, and especially when it rains. So I think this one's going to last a very long time, and I really like how it has this wood grain pattern on the plastic too. Also included in the packaging is all your hardware, so everything you need to connect it to the ground is included. You get the top covers here, and then you also have 3 different stakes here to stake into the ground and connect them, so that way they're not falling over in the wind or anything. So very durable, and everything that you need to put it together is provided. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up installation and then show you what the finished product looks like. So here I am changing out the base for these stakes. If you are installing it into like soil or mud patch, then you want to use these stakes for better stability. But if you're installing it on like a concrete base or anything solid, then you want to use the base that comes with the fence, so you can drill the screws into it. But like I said, I'm installing it into mulch, so I was very easily able to switch these out. There's just 2 nuts and bolts that you take out with an Allen key and plier, which I'm using my own because they weren't provided. But overall it's very easy. You just take the 2 nuts and bolts out, slip this one out, and then slip this in. So I've got 2 done. I'm going to put the 3rd one in, and then I'll finally install it into the ground and show you the finished product. So here I have the privacy fence fully installed. So as you can see, it does a great job of hiding my AC unit fan right behind it, and does a great job of just giving it a really nice polished look on my patio here. I do need to dig it a little bit more deeper to get the stakes fully in. I have a clay surface underneath this mulch, so I'm going to have to dig through that to fully get it all the way in. But even with the stakes halfway in, you can see how secure it is, just moving it around a little bit too. So it's going to do a great job once it is fully installed, fully buried into the clay surface there. But overall I love how it looks. I really love the plastic wood look here on this, and I think overall it looks really nice, and it was very easy to install. From opening the package to full assembly, it was very easy, and all the tools that I needed were provided. So overall, if you're looking for a privacy fence like this, for whether it's to hide your AC unit or trash cans, I would highly recommend this one.